Unravel the magic of this and these. Hello, language learners. Today, we are going to demystify the use of this and these in English grammar. Both of them are considered demonstrative determiners and are an important part of English language structure. They can help us specify and clarify what we're talking about, making our sentences clearer and more precise. So, buckle up for an enlightening journey into the world of this and these. The first step to understanding any concept is to define it. In English grammar, this and these are known as demonstrative determiners. They are used to indicate or point out the person or thing that is being referred to. This is used for a singular noun that is close to the speaker. These is used for plural nouns that are close to the speaker. Now, let's delve deeper into the usage of this. As mentioned before, this is used to refer to a singular noun that is near the speaker. For example, if you have a book in your hand, you would say, "This book is interesting." Here, this is used as a demonstrative determiner to specify which book you are talking about. Moving on to these, it's used in pretty much the same way as this, but for multiple items or people that are near the speaker. So, if you have several books in your hand, you would say, "These books are interesting." Again, these is serving as a demonstrative determiner, specifying which books you're referring to. Understanding the theory is one thing, but applying it is another. Let's look at some more examples. If you're in a store and you're holding a shirt, you would say, "I like this shirt." If you're holding several shirts, you would say, "I like these shirts." If you're presenting a project at a meeting, you could say, "I worked on this project for 3 weeks." If you're presenting several projects, you would say, "I worked on these projects for 3 weeks." That wraps up our brief journey into the world of this and these as demonstrative determiners. Remember, the key to mastery is practice. So try to use this and these in your everyday conversations. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments. Happy learning, and I hope this video has made the concept clearer for you.